Hi, this is John with WTI, and when I have these long days, a lot of classes, a lot of video recording with WTI, and a lot of activities, I need some help. And I'm not always drinking energy drinks, but when I do it, this one, the Monster, it just works wonders for me. So whenever you're having those days that you're low of energy and you need caffeine, it just works awesome. So one of the things that is good about this is not just your typical energy drink that will give you tons of energy for like an hour or two, and then you're gonna drop down again. One of the things that I found that is really good is this Monster drink has L-carnitine, and carnitine is called L-carnitine is known as a helper for you to use energy in your body. So it will actually give you the energy with the caffeine and for you to do wonders and do all the things, but you're gonna do it with the L-carnitine, which could give you some really good benefits to you. So if you're looking for a great energy drink, overall good energy drink, this Monster, it just tastes great. Good. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.